So, you want to learn to crochet. I am super excited to share with you a comprehensive guide to getting started with crochet. And the best part, you can find all these essentials at your local Michaels store. So let's dive right in and check out everything you need to begin your crochet journey. First up, let's talk about crochet hooks. Michaels offers a variety of options to suit your needs. For comfort, try the ergonomic aluminum crochet hook by Loops and Threads. It's designed to reduce hand fatigue, making it perfect for long crochet sessions. If you prefer a classic hook, the anodized aluminum crochet hook by Loops and Threads is a great choice. It's durable and smooth, allowing your yarn to glide effortlessly. For those who want a range of sizes, check out the anodized crochet hook set by Loops and Threads. They come in various sizes from E to J for a 6-pack and D to K for an 8-pack, ensuring you have the right size hook for any project. Next, you'll need a good pair of scissors. The 6.5-inch ultra sharp spring tension scissors by Loops and Threads are perfect for cutting yarn cleanly and precisely. They're sharp and easy to use, making them a must-have in your crochet toolkit. Keeping your projects organized is also essential. The transparent yarn project bag by Loops and Threads is perfect for storing your yarn in current projects. It's spacious and easy to carry, and you can see everything at a glance. Yarn needles are crucial for weaving in ends and sewing project pieces together. Michaels offers both steel yarn needles by Loops and Threads or plastic yarn needles. Choose steel for durability and plastic for flexibility. Alternatively, many beginner crocheters enjoy the Clover Jumbo Tapestry needle set, as the curved ends make it easier to navigate in and out of various stitches. Stitch markers are necessary for keeping track of your stitches, especially in complex patterns. The Loops and Threads Carabiner stitch markers come in a set of 20 and are easy to use and store. A tape measure is also a must for checking your gauge and measuring your projects. Both the Loops and Threads tape measure and the 60-inch retractable tape measure by Loops and Threads are great options. Of course, you can't crochet without yarn, and Michaels has a fantastic selection of yarn in different weights, colors, and materials. Choose a soft cotton for summer projects or a cozy wool for winter makes. I have tons of suggestions here on the channel, so I'll be sure to link my crochet playlist in the description box below. Finally, you'll need some project inspiration, and for that, you can check out my recent video for the ultimate project guide, or you can check the description box below and I'll leave a playlist to all my crochet projects. There you have it, everything you need from Michaels to get started with crochet. I hope this guide helps you gather all the essentials and inspires you to start your crochet journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite crochet tools or any questions you might have. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!